Turn heads with TroLase, the laser laminate that's more than meets the eye. Whilst many materials, especially acrylics and plastics, are single ply, TroLase stands out with its two-ply design. Its contrasting core and top colour open up new design possibilities. By laser engraving, you remove the top layer, creating a stunning contrast between the two colours. This makes TroLase perfect for creating eye-catching signs, badges and more. TroLase is available with adhesive bagging, making it easy to laser cut while allowing for fast and efficient adhesion to materials. Watch how quickly the green and white base plate is processed with minimal dust and debris created. Next we will process the carbon and white TroLase. Cutting the lettering and skyline creates visually appealing products, but let's take it a step further with detailed engravings to really highlight the material contrast. Despite extensive engraving, there is no significant increase in dust. After processing, a simple wipe with a dry cloth is all it takes to clean the material. Now that laser processing is complete, it's time to assemble the sign. This is an easy process, but ensure accurate alignment for the best results. Once assembled, your sign is ready to hang. TroLase is perfect for indoor and outdoor use thanks to its UV stability. Find out more and discover the range today at shop.troteclaser.com.